On February 20th, 2023, just before 3 a.m., a Pasadena police officer pulled out of the station driveway, tires humming as the marked patrol car hit Walnut Street. At the intersection of Marengo and Walnut, the officer spotted a heated argument between two people. When the officer stepped out to investigate, the situation shifted quickly. What started as a tense exchange erupted into something more chaotic. I'll let you see for yourself.
Stop. He's just. So what? Let them do that. What they gonna do to this? Cause if they keep doing stupid shit. You give me. Ellie, give me a head up when I see him. Go in the house. Head up when I see him. Head up. I'ma hurt you. Move, go in the house. Move. Head up when I see him. Head up. It's on when I see him. Heads up when I see him. It's up when I.
Is this your son? Okay.
Why you have him drop you off right there, nigga? He knows your time. You're mentally fucking dead.
Hey. Walk that way.
I don't have to do shit. This my little brother. I don't have to do shit. This my little brother. Oh God, I shouldn't even talk to you. Kill my dad. So get the fuck out of my face. Oh God, I shouldn't even talk. Y'all just kill my. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You in my face. You're in my face. Wait, dude. What are you doing? Wait. Watch out, bro. No, he's wrong. You're wrong. You're heavily wrong. His father just got killed last week. Stop. Charles Downs' his dad. Stop. Get your watch commander out here. Dude, stop doing me like that. No, it ain't no you.
What's going on?
Bro, I got into an altercation, bro. Ain't nothing going on. I ain't high, bro. Can you just hide him, bro? Y'all just killed my daddy, bro. Come on, bro.
You have anything in your pockets?
I don't, sir.
Alright, how old are you?
Sir. I'm 17, bro. I'm 17, bro. I think my wrist broke, bro. Think you broke my wrist, bro.
Is this your phone?
Yes, bro. Shut up!
Stand over here.
That's how y'all gonna do me? That's how y'all gonna do me, bro?
What are you talking about?
Y'all just straight me.
We're working.
You need medical attention?
Huh?
You need medical attention?
I think so, bro, cause my wrist been fractured.
You need the paramedics?
No, bro, I don't.
Okay.
Y'all just killed my daddy, though. Let me go, bro. Why y'all got me in handcuffs? I don't got nothing on me, bro.
Okay. We're just figuring out what's going on. That's all.
That's cold, bro. That's mad. Bro, come on, let me go.
Are you going to relax?
Yes, let me go.
Stop it.
That's it.
Stop it. Stop it.
That's cold, bro.
On everything. Stop with the bullshit.
This my fault.
Negative.
I ain't gonna lie, it's my fault. I'll tell y'all what y'all want to hear.
What's happened?
So what's
Let
going
my
on?
brother go. He ain't do nothing. I ran up on my brother.
Why did
My
you
brother
run up on
got.
your brother? Why?
I ran up on my brother because I had something. It's not your business. Sir, bro. Come on, bro. Hold on, bro. What are you doing?
Someone's in that car.
Hold on. Excuse me. Excuse me, hold on. Can I tell y'all what happened?
Yeah, after you have a seat.
Hold on, bro.
Have a seat.
Can you fix the handcuffs, though?
After you have a seat, get your feet in.
Let me put my feet in. Wait. Nigga. Where my phone at?
Don't worry about it. So what's going on? Why are you fighting with your brother?
Bro, because I had an altercation with my brother, bro. I got anger issues, bro. It's something me and my brother have personally going on. Personally going on, bro.
Where do you guys live?
We live right
here.
Yep. Thank you.
So what started the argument?
Bro, it's none of your business. Something about my father, bro.
It is my business when you're fighting in public.
Alright. Well.
While one officer speaks with a younger brother, another completes the interview with the older brother and begins checking his ID. With both statements gathered, the officers can then speak with the mother and resolve the situation without making any arrests, since no one was injured and the conflict did not escalate.
Hey man, how are you? So, my understanding is the officer just saw argument and stuff like that.
Yeah, it was just an argument.
Interview. So,
And, you know, we didn't even get a chance to explain before the one y'all sent to the station. He came, he slammed the kids all in the bush, and that's why the kids, I was trying to explain to him that they were arguing because the oldest one went out there. Dad got killed. He's emotional. He doesn't want to be away from his brother. You know, they're, grieving.
and that's
He
fine.
didn't give us a chance to even say anything,
Okay.
but
If we release them, are you gonna be able to control them?
Yeah.
Or, because I mean, obviously we can't have them fight out in public. Or
Yeah, I
anything
know
like
that.
So,
we were I had them in control, but like I said, the one he came, he jumped out the car. He didn't even give us a chance. And when by him slamming the kids into the thing, made the other officers, when they pulled up, just, of course, because they don't know what's going on.
right.
But him,
Well, it seems like there's no use of force or anything, or fight. It seems like just the kids need to cool off.
yeah,
So, are you okay with that?
yeah.
Okay. And
Hey, man, I have a question for you. Actually, do we run already?
Run me for what?
We just want to make sure there's no probation.
I ain't
warrants, or
know.
anything.
Listen,
you can step out,
I
man.
don't know probation. I'm not that type of chick.
Okay, you can step out.
I ain't never been to jail or nothing in
Are
my
you
life.
like-
Don't
or-
treat me like that just because we live down here.
No, that's fair,
And stuff. That's exactly
I'm
how I'm
actually-
taking it. How
I'm
did you
trying to
feel?
get you out of the car.
How did I go from and all that to wanting to run my name and stuff?
We do that with everybody.
No, y'all don't do that with everybody.
Okay.
No, y'all don't.
Hey,
I live right here. I see y'all enough right.
I
Y'all
have
don't
a
do that with
question for you.
everybody.
I have a question for you.
Come on now.
These are your kids, right?
Yeah.
One of them, he's getting hot.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there going to be an issue they both
They're
end
gonna
up?
be fine. I got them.
Okay. Man, I got your cell phone in my car.
And you too, sir.
Ma'am, if you can do me a favor.
it was towards the end, but I was still here when you did it. So they were
Thank you.
In this case, all individuals were released without charges. Officers conducted interviews with each person, confirmed identities, and determined there was no threat or injury. Situations like this show the importance of calm, communication, and de-escalation. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe.